Report here. Today we're doing Cold Snap by Samuel Adams. I hear good things about Samuel Adams. This usually doesn't happen to me. Usually there's a head, at least. Huh. I got a broken one. This tastes just like a lightly carbonated, almost creamy, there's some sort of creamy quality to this. It's hard to know if the low carbonation is a defect or if it's part of the beer. It does make it a smoother beer to drink. It just tastes like a plain beer to me. I really enjoy that. I think I would say I enjoy this. I'd probably give this beer an 8 out of 10. So, hope this helps.